before the rain starts and I can see it coming. This is amazing. These clouds are just, you know, someday I may have to actually buy myself a video camera for this purpose. This is, I wish you could see this like in person, because this thing is just swirling over my house, and the birds that are in that area are just, they're being swept sideways. This thing is so dark, right over my head. Check it out. Not a single drop of rain has hit me yet, knock on wood, but look at it. Oh wow. That is so cool. Yeah, look at my dumb self standing out here in the front yard. Wow. It's everywhere. Putting the cap on a really unproductive day. Look at it. Can you see it rolling? Right there. In the very middle of the screen. It's like a sideways tornado. Wow. I'm trying to hold on to the mail. I wouldn't have noticed this if I didn't come outside to get the mail. This is no, that looks like intestines. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what else is going on up there, but that is just bad. That looks like an optical illusion. Like there's the dark clouds are holding really still, and then the little wispy white cirrus clouds are brushing over the top of them. It's crazy. It's moving a lot faster than it looks like. So we can check that out. At which people go by. Lovely, isn't it? Drive like they've got nothing better to do. Here, let's just fly by. If they've got any cats in the yard, you know. Hopefully they're not in the freaking road, right? Right. They must be expecting, like, flooding again. It sort of looks like a person's insides on an x-ray. I'm gonna put this mail in the house so I can have both hands.